before I go ahead, I would just give a small refresher of the RAP1 code again. You select a Quranic expression, any Quranic expression, chapter numbers, this is the first element, verse numbers, this is the second element to the code, how many verses, this is the third element to the code. Now these are the three basic elements. Select an expression from the Quran, chapter number in which the expression has occurred, verse numbers in which the expression has occurred, and how many verses in which the expression has occurred. The last and the fourth element is linked with the verse numbers. If that expression which you are analyzing has occurred twice in a verse, then that verse number will be added twice. Similarly, if that expression has occurred thrice or four times or five times in a verse, then that verse number will be added the same number of times. That is called as the aspect of multiple occurrence. In the last video, you can see the expression of fly and the expression of spider, and you will be very clear, totally clear about this aspect of multiple occurrence in the RAP1 code. Now, coming over to the matrices, the first matrix I'm going to bring to you is meaning-based joint matrix. Meaning-based joint matrix is the one in which the expression from the Quran is found fixed on the multiple of 19 or a running 19 without dividing the expression in two or more groups. It is a single group. Simple unified code is required to be applied. The example of fly and the example of spider which I have given in the last video, that is an example of meaning-based joint matrix. I'll give you a few more examples. For example, the expression from the Quran, so recite what is easy. So recite what is easy. This expression has occurred. So recite what is easy. It has occurred only in one verse of the Quran. In chapter 73, the name of the chapter is the RAP1. The last verse, chapter 73, verse 20. Chapter number 73, verse number 20. How many verses? 1. And it has occurred twice in this verse. I repeat, this expression of the Quran, so recite what is easy, it has occurred only in one verse of the Quran. You have to write the chapter number in which the expression has occurred. Chapter number is 73. You have to write the verse number in which the expression has occurred. Verse number is 20. And you have to write how many verses in which the expression has occurred. One verse. Now, this expression has occurred two times in the verse. So recite what is easy. Therefore, verse number will be added twice. Now, we'll take the total. Chapter number total 73. Verse number total is 40. Verse number is added twice. That is why the total is 40. How many verses is 1? The total is 114. See how beautifully it is fixed. 114 are also the total chapters of the Quran. The expression, so recite what is easy. It has occurred in one verse, chapter number 73, verse number 20, occurred twice, 20 twice. How many verses? 1. Add all the elements, the total becomes 114, which are also the total chapters of the Quran. Apply the RAP1, subtract half of it, or subtract from it a little, or add to it and recite the Quran distinctively. This is verse number 3 and 4, which indicates towards the application of the RAP1 code, the last step of the code. 114 divided by 2, you have to add 1, multiply by 115. The answer will be 6,555. And 6,555 is a multiple of 19. 19 into 345 is 6,555. Another expression I would present. These are the examples of meaning-based joint matrix I am giving you. For example, the expression is snake or serpent. snake oblique serpent. This word, snake oblique serpent, this is used in 5 verses of the Quran. What are the verses? You have to write chapter number 20, verse number 20. Chapter number 27, verse number 10. Chapter number 28, verse number 31. Chapter number 7, verse number 107. And lastly, chapter number 26, verse number 32. So these are the chapter numbers in which the expression of snake or serpent has been used. These are the verse numbers in which the expression has been used. And how many verses? 5 verses. Now add all these 3 elements. This snake oblique serpent has not been used twice in any verse. So chapter number total is 313. Verse numbers total is 200. And how many verses? 5. The grand total comes to, the chapter number total was 108, not 313. The chapter numbers total is 108. The verse numbers total is 200. And how many verses? 5 verses. Now the grand total is 313. Now rap 1 code is required to be applied. Refer to chapter 73, the rap 1, verse 3 and 4. Half of it, or subtract from it a little, or add to it, and recite the Quran distinctively. 313 divided by 2, multiply by 314. The answer shall be 49141. 49141. 4 plus 9, 13, plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. It is a running 19. Now these 2 examples I gave you were for meaning-based joint matrix.